So, welcome back mga bossing. Welcome to my channel. Once again, Alvin ng Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this time we're going to unbox another Mega Sword. So, or part of the, or another Power Rangers robot. So, this time, if you're fans of ng mga Sentai or Power Rangers, I think you will know what I'm talking about. So this time we're going to unbox the Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger. So I hope I got it right. So, but this time, this one is part of the, like the 45th anniversary of Sentai. So all the Sentai characters, like they come together in one episode. And this one, I believe you can see Aqua Ranger or Star Ranger 1, one of the episodes of this Sentai series. That's why it's really, really cool. I know there's still a lot of more of characters that we need to pick up to make this, you know, like a real big mega sword. So this is Zenkai Sentai Zenkaiger DX. It's time to unbox. Let's go mga bossing. Tara na.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go again, mga bossing. We got another cool DX Mega Sword robot here, the Zenkaioh. So this one I scored from Facebook Marketplace. So I got 4 of these different kinds. So I'm gonna make like a series of reviews for all those 4 Megazords. So let's start on this one, Zenkaioh. Okay, so this one is already open at the back or at the bottom of the box. So let's open it here. So this is a pre-love toys, guys. But the seller says this one is from his father-in-law, who is a Japanese, who usually bring this kind of toys for him, but he's an older. But because he's not young anymore, so he doesn't care much about it. But he just, you know, just keep it because it's from his father-in-law. So, but once they leave the country, he sell it. But that's okay. But that is also okay for his wife. So there's no problem about that. So yeah, that's usually the problem here. I don't know why he. All the 4 Megazords have missing instruction or manual. But anyhow, it's still good in condition. He never played, he never opened it. Everything's still in mint condition, man. So there you go. Let's start where. So okay, guys. Why not? Take it out from the box. Okay, so there we go. We got to remove all the plastic protection right now. So to give you the idea, what's the part of, what kind of Sentai robot is this one? So this is part of the Sentai Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger. Right, so this is part of the big mecha. If you combine it with the other, I believe, other 4 mecha, it can become the Zenkai Gattai Zenkaiger. So what we got here now is the we got the Juran Tyranno and we got the Gaon Lion. So okay, we can combine them together, but we're going to build the Juran Tyranno first. Okay, so and this one is the Juran sword, and we can combine them together. So what's good about it, as you can see, the battery is still intact, still not been used, so we gotta take it out. Let's see. Okay, sounds good so far. So let's see how we can convert it to or transform it to Juran Tyranno or Juran Tyranno X. So this one looks like a T-Rex, right? As you can see, those small hands. Okay. Okay, let's see some of the functionality that's going on here. So this one looks like a Megazord, what they call that, Power Rangers, right? Version. Okay, so it's really cool. So we know we got some battery going on here or sound effects. So we're gonna try to figure out how it works. I believe I already turned it on by removing the plastic on the battery, but so far we don't hear anything. So this is how you hide the head. So okay, so you know, usually they are just limited articulation, right? So that's all he can do. The still cool robots, T-Rex, like the lion now here. And the face is like an ape. Okay, so let's transform it to its original form, which is the Gaon Lion, which is the Zenkai Lion and the Zenkai Tyranno. So let's do this. Let's transform. Okay, there you go, my bossing. That's how it really looks like when they just transform. This looks kind of weird, but it's pretty awesome. But they still looks nice, right? all those sound effects and everything here. That was nice. Yeah, so very simple, how do you call it, like transformation, right? Yeah, that's a standard DX version. Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we gonna combine it in a bigger robot now. Okay, let's do this. So there you go, my bossing. Once again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share this to your friends or any Facebook group that you're part of. And why not, right? Like if you're just new here, and if you think you like this, you know, this kind of toys to unbox, and yeah, and you like this video, please do me a favor, my bossing, so I can open more toys. Like this. Please smash the subscribe buttons now. It really means a lot to me. And if you can click the bell icon, that will be great. That will be awesome. Really appreciate that. So once again, thank you, my bossing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is died. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. I'm looking at what's in my mind. And this goes down. It goes down. Every message that I send you, you just leave them all unread. Now every part of me is hurting, cross my heart. I don't deserve this. Loved you just for you to haunt me in the end. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent.